Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use visual edit in B12 IO website builder. Let's get to it. So with this, you'll be able to visually edit your website, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. So we need to go over to b12.io. You need to log in to it, and then right over here and select a website. Let's go inside. I've got the paid plan, the business paid plan on it. So over to the left-hand side, we can go over to chat. On the bottom, you see this visual edit. You can press on it. You'll see this over to the top. So this is going to be colors. So you can change the colors from here. So just change the basic colors of your website, the primary. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll find all of these colors with the title as well. So if it's for sidebar or charts, user interface and such, all you need to do in order to change them is just need to press on this drop down. And you've got these colors right here. You can go over to Tailwind and select the colors from here, or go over to custom and you get a color picker. So you can add an hexa code if you've got one, or use one of these colors right here like this, and it's going to change it in real time over to the right hand side. Yeah, this is how it is. Let's go over to Tailwind and let's select one of these colors. I think black would be good. Let's just select sky 950. That's fine. Let's select that and keep it as it is. Now we can go back and we've got fonts. So we can click over here and we can select different fonts. So sans serif, or you can also upload your own custom font. So if you've got from another website, you can upload it here. Let's select this serif. Let's select this one, and mono. Let's select Courier Prime. And once you've selected them, you're going to find that on the right, the fonts have not yet changed. So you need to press on the save button and it's going to update it like this. And now your fonts should be changed. So let's go over to this visual edit again. Let's go back and you've got effects next. You can click here and you can change the effects, the shadow color and such. So behind this button, you're going to find an effect. You can change that from here on the left. Add more shadow, blur that shadow, spread more shadow, change the radius and a lot more. Change the shadow color and such. So once you've done that, you just need to press on the save button in order to see it. Now, next up, what if you want to change this text on the right with visual edit? You can do that. You just need to take your cursor over here on the right hand side. And let's say I want to change this real products here. I just need to press on it once. And then you've got this ask AI agent for quick change. You can do that. Just need to type in change this text to fake products like this. And you can press on this send button, or as this is going to use AI. So I'm going to show you if you want to change it manually, you just need to select this. And then on the left hand side under content, you can just remove this real and then change it to fake like this, fake products. That's it. That's how you can manually edit. And then you've got typography as well. So if you just want to change the typography, the font for this specific text, you can do that. Change the font from here to sans serif, mono, the weight and style, font size, make it smaller, make it large that way. And you've got the title, uppercase and such. If you want to make it uppercase, change where the positioning of it is in center, left or right, line height, letter spacing, wider would be great. Colors, change the color here. Again, you can go with custom, Tailwind or theme. You've got the background color for it and the background image if you want to add an image behind it. And yeah, just keep on going down. You'll find all of this. And once you're done, just press on the save button in order to save it. Now, next up, let's say I want to remove this border of this button. I can press on this, and then towards the left hand side, you need to scroll down completely. And you're going to find under appearance radius 8. You can change this. So let's say I make it 4px. You can see that the border roundness is getting reduced. I can make it full, and it's going to be a pill. It's going to turn it into a pill button. So yeah, like this, you can just change things, change the text, colors and such. Now right over here, maybe you want to add an image behind it, like here. Just need to select it, and towards the left, you got this background image. Scroll down, click on this, and you've got AI agent, library, and search. Search is provided by Pexels. Pexels is a free stock media library. You can go with that, or you can just use one of these inside your library. Let's go with this search here, and let's type in laptop. Let's select one of these, like this one, and press on the continue button. You need to scroll down, then press on continue. And there you go. We have changed it. Change that background of that box to our image. From here, you can change the text color. Just need to select it and then select a color like this in order to make it visible on that background. Add a background color like this. It does not look good, but yeah, if you want to do it, you can do it. And if you have added a background and you want to remove it, just go with the custom and then reduce the opacity like this in order to remove that background from there. Press on the save button, and it's going to add these updates to your live website. You can also do coding. So if you know about code, if you just press on one of these right here, let's go to visual edit. Let's press here, and then you can edit code as well. So you need to press on this, and it's going to take you to that specific code where you can change stuff. So right here, I can just say 03 and then press on save. And if you go to the website, scroll down, it's going to change it to 02 to 03. And yeah, that's it. That's how to do visual edit in B12.io website builder. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more B12.io website builder related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.